The score repeating maximum number of times in a given data is called the mode of the data. The mode of a group is the number that occurs the most often in a given set of values. We need mode to study factors such as which item sells the most, which color item is in greater demand, etc. For example, schools require chalk of different colors. If we know which color of chalk is required the most, it will be easier for the manufacturing company to produce more chalks of that color. The balance between demand and supply can be maintained. In a grouped data, we divide given piece of information into specific classes or groups. The class with the highest frequency is called the modal class. We have learnt the method of finding the mode of an ungrouped data last year. Now we will learn the method of estimation of mode of grouped data. Let us solve some examples. First example. In the frequency distribution table, the number of children coming to study in a study hall and their ages is given. From this, find the mode of their ages. Standards in years, number of students. 12 to 14 years, 34 students. 14 to 16 years, 52 students. 16 to 18 years, 71 students. 18 to 20 years, 45 students. 20 to 22 years, 23 students. The class with maximum frequency is the class 16 years to 18 years. Hence, it is the modal class. Solution. L is lower class limit of the modal class equal to 16. F1 is frequency of the modal class is equal to 71. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class is equal to 52. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class is equal to 45, and H is equal to the class interval of the modal class is equal to 2. Now the formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Therefore, mode is equal to 16 plus 71 minus 52 upon 2 into 71 minus 52 minus 45 into 2 is equal to 16 plus 19 upon 142 minus 97 into 2 is equal to 16 plus 19 upon 45 into 2 is equal to 16 plus 0.42 into 2 is equal to 16 plus 0.84 is equal to 16.84. Therefore, the mode of the ages of children is equal to 16.84 years. Second example. The following frequency table shows the classification of oil purchased by 100 families from a grocery store in a month. Find the mode of the volume of the oil purchased. Oil in liters, number of families. 1 to 2 liters, 17 families. 3 to 4 liters, 26 families. 5 to 6 liters, 14 families. 7 to 8 liters, 31 families. 9 to 10 liters, 7 families. 11 to 12 liters, 5 families. Solution. The given classes are not continuous. So, let us make them continuous and rewrite the table. Class, continuous classes and frequencies. Class 1 to 2. The continuous class is 0.5 to 2.5 and the frequency is 17. For class 3 to 4, continuous class is 2.5 to 4.5 and the frequency is 26. For class 5 to 6, continuous class is 4.5 to 6.5 and the frequency is 14. This is F0. For class 7 to 8, continuous class is 6.5 to 8.5 and the frequency is 31. This is F1. For class 9 to 10, continuous class is 8.5 to 10.5, frequency is 7 and this is F2. For class 11 to 12, continuous class is 10.5 to 12.5 and the frequency is 5. Now here L is equal to lower class limit of the modal class is equal to 6.5, F1 equal to frequency of the modal class equal to 31, F0 equal to frequency of the class preceding the modal class equal to 14, F2 is equal to frequency of the class succeeding the modal class is equal to 7 and H is equal to class interval of the modal class equal to 2. Now the formula is mod equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Therefore, mod is equal to 6.5 plus 31 minus 14 upon 2 into 31 minus 14 minus 7 into 2 is equal to 6.5 plus 17 upon 62 minus 14 minus 7 into 2 is equal to 6.5 plus 17 upon 41 into 2 is equal to 6.5 plus 0.415 into 2 is equal to 6.5 plus 0.830 is equal to 7.33. The mode of the volume of the oil is equal to 7.33 liters. What did we learn? Information required to find mode of a group data is as follows. L is equal to lower class limit of the modal class. F1 is equal to frequency of the modal class. F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the modal class. F2 is equal to frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. H is equal to class width of the modal class. Formula to find the mode of a grouped data is equal to mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Exercise. A frequency table of annual government tax payable by 1,500 families in a cooperative society is given. Find the mode of the tax from it. Frequency table of the yield per acre of wheat obtained by some farmers is given. Find the mode of the yield from it.